Nirmala kan yam biya kamal ka Nuer Tube kajan kwasme bana rach ka English and Tognas grammar essential English sentence for beginners kaniti bana ka gor ka tok nat bane ka do bana de ka link ja ki do bana de rande jangai ka ja gor no jin bi nyoga nasan ko ken ko no gaje no de kon te kon gor ken mishi larno I am tired. I am tired. Katong nat han cha chuch en cha chuch en cha chuch en cha chuch kede lar cha chuch. I am tired en cha chuch rode I am happy en tes loida en te loida I am happy en te loida diodien I am sad di gor en Jack Lloyd. I am sad and Jack Lloyd. Ngwandian. I am excited. They are anteloid kien chiloid tet. Anteloid like excitement ki excited mi chiloid tet. And she lodged the tet. I am excited and chiloid tet. And chiloid tet. Ko excited cho ka mishale past ki past participle excited. I am excited and chiloid tet. De kon yo gwata me. I am bored. I like anluanga. I like alajin bore ki boring. I'm bored. Me I like chiriko chilo chetet. Han chana no ki chilo tet. Chilo tet. Han chilo tet. Kwaje do brande larga jentama ka tungnat. I am bored. Like kirmi han luanga. Di lar no di lar ka dupting one and luanga and chilo tet and no machana no I'm bored. Miti gwar ka rwadu ka talami gwami ladi no bigu jeno na me chana no ta ka en chilo tet no di lar no kien chana no en chilo tet lana bi mo ka magaga bakalien gwasame bakalien tukon ke how was your day? Dong de larno shibudi ki shibudi at least she would idi mishi budi shiraka how was your day? Ki shangdu shawede. Okay. Shangdu shawede. Tijran ta dana shibudi kaya. Shibudi di how was your day? De larno no. Number 7, Barodian. What did you do today? What did you do today? Oh, Cherako Juran and Wishilat and Wale. And Shilat and Wale. What did you do today? And Wishilat and Wale. Today and Wale. And Wishilat and Wale. What did you do today? And Wishilat and Wale. Number 8. What is your favorite color? There you go, Nana. A bill and Dian. A bill and Miss. Nok ki de lar no a bielen dien nokomo de lar ko duptung wan ka tuknat a bielen mit nokomo color lo de nungu lo ne biel color ka biel ki biel a bielen mit nokomo. What is your favorite color? A bielen mit nokomo. Number 10. What is your favorite food? A quen and miss nok emo. What's your favorite food? La food a quen ka tungnat quen and min nokumo. What is your favorite food? Favorite manoge. May jongoro and wo you are my favorite jeno ramo nogo jilong. What is your favorite food? A quen and mit nokumo. Number 10. What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? A movement dien nokumo. De kono gorna be gor ka tuk English a movie men mit nokimo a movement mit nokimo Movie ala kontele kon village ka kontele je de nan ke bindit but da yik ten by ko talk English ko bi ko pronounce ka ta English bi yik cholo movie a movie men mit nokumo cha bu gor ke bi bi gor ke village ko tele je ka kon pronunciation be ko go ni ko ken otherwise be to dan which right kon go talk English by kon pronounce je ka long a movie men mit nokumo what is your favorite movie 11. Can you show me? Can you show me? Name dere nyota. Gwada me kana tiang. But you taking dere nyota. Can you show me? You want to show somebody asking you to show him or her something. Minu di nyama ki wuda mo door. Do not kind of just specify the no Mendian dere nyota mo. Agenda can you show me? Dere nyosa. She de nyosa something like that. She de nyosa. Di larbono no. Number 12. Can I help? There kama. Nambono no can specify it here. There kama. Mendi ande kulutobo. There kama. Can I help? Okay. There kama. I go mehen. There kama. Ke there kamnga. Tada ande nango. Ande yokojek. Gwa guru jeno bija nyuaga nasin ko kien ko de kan this English and tongnas basic phrase de kan tadan le de kan ngach no ga jeno de ti den ka nyuaga yekel ko bokul te do min beran barota kep ka tongnat kan English banyo jeg mudien bye bye.